Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'll be showing you how to draw Gengar versus Haunter in a fun Pokemon battle. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Haunter versus Gengar battle, let's begin with Haunter. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up for the eye. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come over and then bring it up here. Next, we're going to make a little line down for the pupil. Over here, we're going to bring this line up, down, and then over for the other eye. And we're going to make a little line right there. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line around, and we're going to make a couple little sharp points in there for some teeth. Then we're going to bring this up. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to put some little sharp points here, and then we're going to curve this up for the bottom of the mouth. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and bring it to about here. Over here, we're going to make one, and then a bigger little point right here for the sides of his face. Then I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then down. I'm going to curve this line here. I'm going to make this line come out to a point and then bring it back. Bring this line out and then back. And this line out and back here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to kind of come down to a claw and up. We're going to make another sharp claw here. We'll draw a little line, and then we'll make another claw here and kind of curve it around. I'm going to make a little point, and then I'm going to come out in here for the tail. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and around with a claw. I'll make another one that's going to kind of curve around here. Then we'll make one that's going to kind of curve here, leaving some space. Next, I'm going to make a little bit of like a broken kind of circle shape right in here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Next, I'm going to make these kind of like little broken lines. They're just going to kind of curve all the way around here. And then I'll do that same thing here. What I'm trying to do is make it look like Haunter's doing like his Nightshade attack. Then we'll put like a couple little random little like circle shapes in here. I'm going to curve a line up for the tongue. I'll make a little line here, and then a little line here. Next, over here, I'm going to make Gengar doing his lick attack. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve down, and we're going to bring this up. Now I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to make this line come up and curve it around here. I'm going to make a little circle that I'm going to color in most, leaving a tiny bit white. And then same thing here, little circle, color in most, leaving a tiny bit white. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up here with a smile. And I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to curve this back, and then up to here for the teeth. Then let's go ahead and make some small lines down. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line around for the tongue, and I'm going to bring this back to here. Then we'll curve a little line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then up to here. We'll curve this line across for the teeth, and then we'll make a few more little lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line around. We'll kind of jump over some of these little lines, and I'm going to bring this down to here. I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to make a nice sharp point, and then bring it down here. And then a little point here, and then bring it down. We're going to curve this down. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out with a couple little points on here for his arm and his hand, and we're going to bring this up. We'll come down here. Make this line come down with a few more little points, and we'll bring this up. We'll curve here, and then we'll connect to here. I'm going to bring this line down. We'll make 1, 2, and 3 points, and we're going to bring it up. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here for one of his spikes, and then another here. Do one more here, and then we'll bring this out for his tail. So I'll make a little line here and a little line here. Then I'm going to kind of curve a line down and then bring it back for his other arm. And there you go. There is your drawing of Haunter and Gengar battling it out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.